Let's take a look at the functions of pricing. Price plays a very important role in the economic system of modern economies. The major functions of price include distributive function, allocation function, signaling function, equilibrating function, rationing function, transmission function, and provision of incentive, enhancing marketing efficiency and performance. Let's take a look at each of these functions, starting with distributive function. Distributive function answers for whom to produce and where to produce. Goods and resources are limited, but needs and wants are unlimited, so price will determine affordability, and those with the buying power will purchase the limited goods and services. Allocative function answers what, when, and for whom to purchase, or produce, Signaling function. Prices signal the demand and supply situations. Shortages are reflected in high prices and surpluses are reflected in lower prices. Equilibrating function. Prices facilitate matching of demand and supply, therefore clearing the market. Rationing function. A question of limited resources versus unlimited wants. Transmission function. Prices transmit information to various actors in the market, thus enabling them to make informed decisions on what and when to buy and sell. Provision of incentive. Prices act as incentives, disincentives to consumers and producers. Enhancing marketing efficiency and performance. Correct price signals will oil the marketing machine. Wrong signals on price will hinder smooth functioning of the market, thus resulting in poor performance. Pricing determines decision-making with respect to the following aspects: production system, what to produce, by whom, and where to produce; industrial location, and product market areas and market boundaries; isotems and the law of market areas. Isotem is a line drawn about a source of raw materials or a market where transport costs are equal. The law of market areas is the boundary line between territories of two geographically competing markets for like goods.